Hi everyone. Hi everyone. This is the first time I'm using my voice in actually one of my videos. It's a lot embarrassing, but yeah, this is like the first time. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you guys like how to get get a how to make a thumbnail on your YouTube videos. It's really simple. All you gotta do is like go to the site. It's called Canva. uh, Once you're in Canva, if you don't have an account on Canva, you have to sign up to it using Google or any other. Okay, with that out of the way, once you come into Canva, you have to go to this option here called Create a Design, and you see it says search over here. This is one of my thumbnails. Once you come here, you're gonna go and search YouTube thumbnail. Sorry, this video was about creating a YouTube thumbnail. So once you do that, you just click on this example here, and then you press it. New site. Yeah, that's it. I'm just waiting for it to load. You see, there's a bunch of examples for you to use over here in your videos. And if you wanna make your own, you can click onto uploads and make any other. But anyway, that's it. Okay, thanks for watching.